I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. In my eyes, you got those pretty eyes in my head. You know it. Got me dancing in my pants, so let me show it. You're exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Alifa Ataya dari kelas 9 Etik 2. Hari ini saya belajar tentang mengoperasikan mesin fotokopi. Kesan saya sangat senang dan merasa tidak bosan ketika melakukan pembelajaran di luar kelas. Saya mudah memahami materi karena mempraktikkannya secara langsung.